First, I calculate the taxes on the company profit. Then I will calculate the final profit of the company. Suppose company pays 15% on its profit without taxes values. The tax rate on each year values of the profit without tax is calculated in tax liability of earnings sections. Scroll up, active cell reference H9. Type 15%. Press enter key. Scroll down, active cell reference E38. I test the condition by using if function on profit without tax values. If condition is satisfied, then company will pay tax to government. Click in formula bar, enter equal sign, type if function, open bracket, in a logical test argument, test the condition. Suppose company pay tax to government if any of the each year it earns profit greater than or equal to $100,000. Click cell reference E35, enter greater than sign, enter equal sign, type 100,000, enter comma. In a value if true argument, type the formula. Again click this cell reference, enter multiplication operator, scroll up, click this cell reference, scroll down, enter comma. In a value if false argument, type question marks, enter quote marks, press space key, again enter quote marks. How does formula work? If this cell has a value greater than or equal to $100,000, then if function will return the result from the value if true argument. In this argument, I have entered the formula. The value of this cell reference will be multiplied to the tax rate if this cell has a value greater than or equal to $100,000. Otherwise, if function returns the empty cell, because I have entered the question marks in the value if false argument. Enter close bracket, press enter key. If function returns empty cell, because this cell has a value less than $100,000, paste the same formula in other cells. Again activate this cell, click in formula bar. First make the absolute position of cell reference H9. Press F4 key. Because I want to apply same tax rate on each year value, press enter key. Again active this cell, press mouse and drag to right.